Nyoboni wiase, ono anote noriase. Eche, gengen wabobodam. And the wiase mu, obia won hia. Nti senye bia. This is our onion. Yay. We are making our fried rice. So this is our green pepper, carrot, onion, and our sauce, soya sauce. That's lemon. It's our boiled rice here. This is my spring onion and green pepper. This is our corn. It's all about Friedrice doings. God bless everyone who watch me, who watch my videos. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you. I hope you enjoy the vibes here. The name is Bidana Waka Vibes, Bidana Waka Doings. They are all on YouTube. Let's vibe, let's do the doings. I love you all. God bless you. Kiss, kiss. A little black pepper. I hope you are enjoying my recipe. My recipe is not expensive. Yeah, it's not expensive, so it's very simple to learn. Very simple to catch how I make it. Very simple. So my fried rice is done. I didn't add too much vegetables, but you see the color is so colorful and very attractive, you see. we are done. So we eat with our chicken, fried chicken, and ketchup. This is what we eat with it. I didn't add any spice. The only spices I added was lemon and soya sauce, black pepper, white pepper, you get it, and salt. Yeah, so we are done with this. My fried chicken, I think it's okay. I don't want too much hard.